Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can apply to work as a driver or a delivery driver for Deliveroo in the UK. So let's get right into it. Now, you can see I'm at my PC and my browser, and what I'm going to search for is work for Deliveroo. You can do whatever you want. Anything of the sort will fit. Just click on that and you will see this search result. Apply now, deliver with Deliveroo. Just click on that and you'll be taken to this page. Now, as you can see, here are the benefits that they list that you have while working for Deliveroo. Here are your requirements, such as a vehicle, safety equipment, the required operating system for your smartphone, proof of your right to work self-employed in the UK, and age 18 plus. Once you want to actually apply, click on apply now and you'll be taken to this screen. This is your main reason. They want you to select your main reason for writing for Deliveroo. Let's say, for example, flexible hours. This is just a filler slide. Just click perfect. Let's do it. And now you'll be taken to this slide where you'll have to select the city that you want to work for. Let's just be stereotypical and let's just pick London. Let me just find it. Here we go. Click next. And here you have the form you have to fill up. Let's say, for example, Ronald McDonald. Email address, some random, just type in some random email address, phone number, whatever fits. For example, this, choose, let's say, for example, bike, click next. The correct format is required. Okay, that's obviously not the format for British numbers. That I'll leave up to you guys. I don't know what British numbers are like, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Then you have one more slide. When you fill it up, your application will start its process. When you're accepted, they'll get back to you, contact you, and tell you if you are passed or not. And if you have passed the check, you will be told your next steps, and that's pretty much how you apply. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in another video.